To send money from India to Italy, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service, such as a bank, a money transfer company, or an online service. Compare the fees, exchange rates, and transfer times of different services to find the best option for your needs. Next, you need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Italy. You also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. Once you have chosen a service and gathered the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. For online services, you can visit the website or use a mobile app to enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. For banks and money transfer companies, you can visit a branch in person. After initiating the transfer, you need to pay for it using a debit or credit card, net banking, or cash. The payment method may vary depending on the service you choose. The money transfer service will then convert your rupees to euros and transfer the funds to the recipient's bank account in Italy. The transfer time may vary depending on the service and the destination bank, but it usually takes a few working days. To track the status of your transfer, you can use the tracking number provided by the service. You can also contact the customer support team if you have any questions or concerns. Some popular money transfer services for sending money from India to Italy include banks such as State Bank of India and Assisi Bank, money transfer companies such as Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services such as PayPal and TransferWise. It is essential to check the exchange rates and fees before making a transfer, as they can vary significantly between services. Additionally, make sure to use a reputable and licensed service to ensure the security of your transaction. In summary, sending money from India to Italy involves choosing a money transfer service, gathering the necessary information, initiating the transfer, paying for it, and tracking the status. By following these steps and choosing a reputable service, you can send money safely and efficiently.